Alright, let's talk VeChain, the blockchain you probably never realized quietly powering some of the world's biggest industries. So, what exactly is VeChain, or VT? Imagine a super smart, enterprise-level blockchain that's not just about coins and speculation, solving real-world problems in supply chains, healthcare, energy, sustainability. VeChain actually started back in 2015 working with companies behind the scenes. By 2018, it had its own mainnet. Today it's about making data transparent, reliable, and easily shared, without anyone needing to trust a single middleman. Now here's where it gets interesting. VeChain uses a two-token system. There's VT, which is basically your value store, VTHO, which is used for transaction fees or gas. If you hold VET, you generate VFO automatically, which you can use or sell. It keeps costs stable and predictable, perfect for big businesses that hate surprises. And yes, sometimes there's even a VTHOR airdrop for holders. But VeChain isn't just about tech, it's backed by the VeChain Foundation, a non-profit in Singapore, pushing partnerships, research, wallet development, the engine room making sure everything runs smoothly. And then there's Sunny Lu, VeChain's CEO. He helped bring Louis Vuitton China into the digital age, and has a team with experience in IoT mobile consulting. So why should you care? Because VeChain is a sleeping giant reshaping how we track products, prove authenticity, help countries hit their sustainability goals. If you're into future-proof supply chains and real-world blockchain impact, keep your eyes on VeChain. It's way more than just another crypto logo. If you're into future-proof supply chains and real-world blockchain impact, keep your eyes on VeChain.